Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do a double crochet increase and also a double crochet decrease. So I've already have just a simple single crochet going on. Mainly just going to be using this to show you how to do these increases and decreases. So to do a double crochet increase, you want to go ahead and insert your hook through your stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. And then through the same loop we just double crocheted, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. And if you need to do it again, insert into the next loop, yarn over, pull through, same loop, yarn over, and pull through. Doing a double crochet increase is super easy, and it's a great way to give more stitches to your work if you need it. Alright. So now I will show you two methods on how to do a double crochet decrease. I will show you the method I prefer first, and then I'll show you another method that is also possible to do. So what you want to do, again, into your stitch, insert your hook, yarn over. You have 2 stitches. Now go into your next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over. You now have 3 stitches and pull through. Alright, let's do that again into the next one. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 2. Insert your hook again into the next stitch, yarn over. You have 3. Pull through all 3, and you have decreased your work. Now another method you can do is called an invisible double crochet decrease. It's like doing a front loop double crochet. So it's very, very easy to do. You want to insert your hook instead of going through both of the loops right here. You want to go through the front and pop up through the middle. Yarn over and pull through. And do it again. Insert from the front, pop up through the middle, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through all 3. So let's see that again. Through the front, pop up through the middle, yarn over, next stitch, through the front, pop up through the middle, yarn over, pull through. So what this ends up doing is it gives you this nice decrease look. However, what it will end up doing is creating a line in the back of your work. So if you end up doing this kind of decrease for amigurumi or things where you won't end up seeing the back of your work, it'll work perfectly. But for items that you'll end up seeing both sides of your work, I do not recommend it because you'll end up seeing a line through it on the other side of where you ended up decreasing, and then it draws your eye to that section, which is not what you want. You want people to see your whole work and not where you decreased your work. So if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and if you feel so inclined, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.